My name is Paul. Workouts every Monday and every Thursday like clockwork for 6+ years right now. Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have a good one. It's going to be a doozy. We got a single dumbbell, heavy dumbbell workout. Let's not waste any more time. There are 5 different exercises, 4 times through. It'll take 15-20 minutes or so. Let's get down on the ground, start off with our push-ups. Preview should be up on the screen right now. You guys ready to rock and roll? 10 push-ups with a side plank. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Push up and plank. That's 1. Down. And that's 2. Down. 3. Down. 4. 5. 6. 4 more. 1. 2. 3. Last one. And 4. All right, get up. Grab your dumbbell. Forward lunge with a twist. I want the twist to have a little bit of power. Don't just twist slowly. Twist with a purpose today, all right? And I don't care how deep you lunge, as long as you take a nice step forward and go as deep as you can. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Down, twist, and up. Down, twist, and up. 3. We're going for 10. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. 10. All right, we're doing 1 minute of skips, my favorite thing. Let's go. 1 minute. Little bit of everything today. Heart rate is already moving. We just are a couple of minutes in. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Remember, 4 times through these 5 exercises. We're on exercise number 3. A little bit of heavy dumbbells today, a little bit of cardio, a little bit of plyometrics because we are skipping. It's a little less than 30 seconds left. Keep going with me. Come on. 20 seconds, keep going. Ten. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Legs up like a Russian twist off the ground. If you can raise them off the ground, quite all right. This is heavy. It's gonna be hard, difficult for me. We're doing Russian twists very slowly. Just gonna bring this dumbbell from one side to the other. Where your legs go, actually, I don't care. Just give me good effort. Ready? Legs up. See if you can twist the dumbbell and move it over to the other side. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway. 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 more. 10. Let's get back up. We're squatting. Boy, I don't have much to say today. All right, I'm gonna pick up a dumbbell, put it on your shoulder, give me a squat. That's gonna be 1 rep. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Pick up dumbbell, shoulder, squat. That's 1. Let's go for 2. Shoulder, squat, 2. Let's go for 3. Boom, 3. And up. 4. Keep going. 5. Halfway there. Looking good. 6. 7. 3 more. 1. 2. Last 1. And 3. Boom. Round 1 done. On the ground, times are wasted and precious. Push-ups, side planks, ready, 3, 2, 1. Push up, side plank, there we go. 1, 2, 3, stay with me. 4, 5, 6, 4 more. 7, 8, 2 more. 1 and 2. And we're back to the top. Back on top, I should say. Standing up, I can't talk today. Guys, ready to go? Forward lunge, twist. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Lunge, twist, boom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 more. 7, 8, 9, 1 more. And 10. 1 minute of skipping. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. What am I doing? Jumping jacks. I'm jumping rope. That's right. 1 minute. Pretend jump rope. One of my favorite exercises. Wakes those muscles up. Get some of that rebound going. Come on with me. Keep jumping, guys. Keep jumping. Keep moving. Keep going, keep going, keep going. 30 seconds left. Come on. "20 seconds. Keep moving. "10. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1. Relax. All right, on the ground. Heavy Russian twists. Grab the old dumbbell. 30 pounds for me today. You guys ready? 10 repetitions. Legs up, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the ground. Why I can't speak today? Get up. Grab your dumbbell. We're going to squat. Gotta wake the hell up, Paul. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1. Down. Up. Shoulder. Down. That's 2. 3. 4. Halfway. Keep it up. Sorry about the sniffles. It's cold outside. I just took the dog for a walk. 4 more. 1. 2. 3. Last 1. Keep moving. 1. Down. Push-ups. Here we go. On the ground. 10 push-ups. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Push up and plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. Get up. Grab your dumbbell. Lunge and twisting. Times are wasting. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Twist. Boom. 1. Twist. 2. Twist. 4. 3. 4. 5. 6. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, last one, and 4. 1 minute. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh yeah. This is round number 3. We are cruising right through. Picking up the pace as we go. We can't pick up the pace on this one. It's just 1 minute long. You can jump faster. That won't make much of a difference. Keep it up. Keep moving. Come on. Oh, by the way, if you're new here, welcome to Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Workouts every Monday and every Thursday. Make sure you come back and join me. Keep it up. We haven't missed an upload in 6+ years. Like clockwork, Monday, Thursday, done. Keep it up, guys. 15 seconds left. Less than 10. Keep jumping, keep going. Get stronger, burn some calories. Come on, 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Heavy, heavy Russian twist, but it's only 10, so we got this, right? You guys ready to go? You can put those legs up in the air. Do so. If not, quite all right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Control that weight. If you don't control it, it's going to control you. And you're going to keep on falling over. 7, 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Up. Squats. Ready? And let's go. Shoulder. 1. 2. Keep going. 3. 4. Halfway there. Keep going. 6. 4 more. 1. 2. 3. 1 more. And 4. Here it comes. And 4. Back to the top. Last round, guys. Give yourselves a hand because you got this now. Finish line is right around the corner. 10 push-ups, 2 planks. Ready? And let's go. And plank. 1. Beautiful. 2. Looking good. Feeling great. 3. Keep it up. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. For the workout. And 10. All right. Dumbbell lunge twists. Twist with a purpose. 3, 2, 1. Forward. Twist. 1. Twist. 2. Come on. 3. 4. 5. 6. 4 more. 1. 2. 1. Last one. 2. And we are skipping rope. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Last round, guys. Keep skipping. Keep moving. We got this now. It's in the bag. Don't give up on me. Come on. There we go. There we go. Keep up, keep up, keep up. A little less than 30 seconds left. Last round. Be strong. "15 seconds. Keep going. This is it. 10. Come on. Move, move, move. 5. Keep going, don't stop. Come on, come on, come on. 2, 1, on the ground. Let's knock these out. Last round. Good effort. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. Stand up for those squats. 10 reps left for today. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Keep it up. 4. Be strong. Be stronger than me. Come on. Stronger than last time. 5. 6. 4 more. 1. 2. 3. Last one. And 4. Weight down. Whew. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today for Fit at the 50. My name is Paul. Workouts every Monday and every Thursday like clockwork for 6+ years right now. Make sure to grab that heavy dumbbell for the next workout, and I'll see you guys then.